Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use credits via dashboard. To begin, please log into the dashboard using your credentials and click on the particular event for which you want to use the credits. Once you do so, please go to the marketing and campaign section on the left and click on marketing campaign page. Once you land on this page, you must enter few details about your event. To start with, please select the target industries from the drop down. Next, add multiple keywords that are relevant to your event. Then you have an option to enter similar events which has same target audience and similar target industries. Then you may choose the preferred location from here, and if you wish to customize the location, click on custom, select any subcontinent or country from the drop down and please click on apply. Once you click on apply, you will see the market size over here. Then go down and click on email campaign. Once you land on this page, please select an event for which you want to use the credits. Then please choose the nature of the invites, whether you want to send it to visitors or exhibitors. But please know that 10 credits would be redeemed for one exhibitor invite and 1 credit would be redeemed for one visitor invite. Then please enter the number of credits you want to redeem, which will reflect the market size it will cover. Then you have two options of send now or schedule for later. If you want to schedule it for later, please click here on schedule for later. Choose a preferable date and time according to Indian Standard Time Zone. And if you wish to send it now, please click here on send now and click on send invites. Once you click on send invite, a preview page would appear, which would show the mailer design and content which would be received by the target audience. If you wish to make any changes, you can always go back to the dashboard and edit the content. But if you approve, please click on looks good sent. Once you click here, the credits would be used and the invites would be sent. To see the responses, please go to the leads section and check the responses of the credits. Apart from these credits, if you want to buy more, go to the credit section on the top bar. Once you land on this credit page, you have two options, marketing credits and flow check-ins. You can view the marketing credit balance from here, and if you wish to buy more, please click on add credits. Select the suitable package for yourself. Enter the payment information, that is your credit or debit card information. Then click on proceed to pay. Once you click on proceed to pay, our team will soon contact you with the payment link and the pro forma invoice. If you want to use the credits from this page, you can directly click on send invites and it will redirect you to the email campaign page. Lastly, if you want to view the credit report, please go down on the same page and click on this particular report symbol. Here the credit report would be available for your reference. It will look something like this. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe.